Carbon capture systems within buildings are designed to reduce carbon emissions from natural gas combustion devices such as boilers for heating and hot water. In cities like New York, natural gas emissions are the single highest category of emissions, and that's the problem that we're trying to solve.
These kinds of laws do encourage building owners to adopt technologies like carbon capture, and hopefully that doesn't come at the cost of discouraging them from exploring all of their options to electrify everything.
The technology is currently implemented here in this multifamily property in the Upper West Side. First, we capture the exhaust coming off of a boiler or a cogeneration system to prevent carbon dioxide from going out a chimney. Second, we separate the carbon dioxide from the other gases. Third, we liquefy that carbon dioxide. And fourth, we transfer and sell that to users of that carbon dioxide like concrete manufacturers.
We put it in a truck, take it here to Brooklyn, and we store it into an on-site tank. From that on-site tank, it goes through plumbing, through our plant, and into the mixer. The CO2 is then injected into the mix, and that becomes a solid. It goes through the mineralization process.
And that aspect of this is what is causing this storage to be permanent, because once CO2 is converted into a solid, it will stay there forever. So historically, carbon capture and storage has been done in the oil and gas industry to recover more oil out of the ground by pushing CO2 underground and pulling more oil up.
In terms of the criticism with delaying the transition over from fossil fuels, what we would say is a ton of carbon reduced today is worth more than a ton of carbon reduced tomorrow.
A better, more sustainable way is to just wean off of fossil fuels altogether and decarbonize as a global economy, which is no small task. So in the meantime, an amazing approach to doing this is to adapt carbon capture and storage technologies. But it's just something that we need to do, like flushing our toilets or taking out the trash.